Think of the biggest number that can divide 32, 8, and negative 80. In this case, the variable x is not common to all of the terms. The variable y is also not common. Therefore, the only common monomial factor is 8. Let's now divide all of the terms by the common monomial factor 8 to get the next factor. The factors are 8 and 4x raised to 6 plus xy minus 10y squared.